Good morning students. Today I am going to start the new chapter from the supplementary reader and the name of the chapter is the last leaf. Students, in this chapter you will study about two girls, Sue and Johnsy. Both were friends. Students, one day Johnsy fell ill. She was suffering from pneumonia. The doctor came and he cured her, but she did not recover. The main reason was that she had lost her hope of living in this world. She thought that she would die. There was ivy creeper outside of her window, and there were many leaves on it. Every day she was looking through the window at those leaves and she was counting them. One day she was looking through the window and she had decided that if the last leaf of that creeper fell, she would die. This thing Johnsy did not know. One day when Johnsy was sitting beside, one day when Sue was sitting beside Johnsy, at that time Johnsy was counting the leaves of that creeper. On that day, 12 leaves were there left, and she was counting 12. Then she counted 11. She was surprised and she asked her what she was counting. Then Johnsy replied that she was counting those. When the last leaf fell, she would die. Students, listening to this, Sue was worried and she consoled her, saying that the doctor had said that she would get well. Even then, Johnsy did not hope to live. After that, Sue called a painter. His name was Barman. These two girls were also artists. They were also painters. They were doing the work of painting. And Barman was living there. He was also a good painter. Sue said that she was going to paint, and she would call Barman to be her model. Students, when Barman was called by Sue and he came, then Johnsy had told the idea of Sue had told the idea of Johnsy that she would die when the last leaf of that creeper would fall. Listening to this Barman wanted to save the life of Johnsy, and he decided to paint the leaf of that creeper, and he did so at night. Though all the leaves of that creeper had fallen, but this last leaf that was a painting of Barman, it was seen outside. As it was painting, how could it fall? How could it fall? And when that painting, that leaf did not fall, then she got hope and thought that she could survive. And at last, students, she was alive. She did not die. Let's see the story. Now open all of your book and see the story. Chapter number 7, The Last Leaf. Now see. Sue and Johnsy, two young artists, shared a small flat. Sue and Johnsy both were painters, both were artists, they were friends, they were living together in a small flat. The flat was on the third story of an old house and they were living on the third floor. Johnsy fell very seriously in November. She had pneumonia. She would lie in her bed without moving, just gazing out of the window. Johnsy was only looking through the window out and she was not feeling that she would get well. So her friend became very worried. She sent for the doctor. Although he came back every day, there was no change in Johnsy's condition. Sue had called the doctor and the doctor was coming every day. But there was no improvement in Johnsy. One day the doctor took Sue aside and asked her, is anything worrying Johnsy? One day doctor asked Sue whether there was something worrying Johnsy. Sue replied, no, but why do you ask? Sue asked the doctor why he was asking this question. The doctor said, Johnsy, it seems has made her mind that it seemed that she had made up her mind that she is not going to get well. If she does not want to live, medicines will not help her. At last, doctor told Sue that Johnsy had decided not to live, so she was not getting well. Sue tried her best to make Johnsy take an interest in things around her. Johnsy always tried to divert the mind of Sue always tried to divert the mind of Johnsy to get interest with her. She talked about clothes and fashions, but Johnsy did not respond. Sue was always talking about clothes, about fashions, about other things, but Johnsy did not pay attention and did not reply. Johnsy continued to lie still on her bed. Sue brought her drawing board into Johnsy's room and started painting. Then Sue brought the drawing board and she began to paint. To take Johnsy's mind off the illness, she whistled while working. While Sue was painting in that room, then she was whistling, creating whistling sound, so that her friend Johnsy could pay attention towards her and take interest there. Suddenly Sue heard Johnsy whisper something. All of a sudden Sue heard that Johnsy was whispering. Sue quickly rushed to the bed and heard Johnsy counting backwards. And Sue went near the bed of Johnsy and heard that she was counting backwards. Backward counting she started. She was looking out of the window and was seeing 12. After some time, she whispered 11, then 10, then 9, 8, 7. Sue found that her friend Johnsy was counting, backward counting. She was counting 12, then 11, then 10, then 9, then 8, then 7, like this. Sue anxiously looked out of the window. Sue was anxious and she was looking out of the window. She saw an old ivy creeper climbing halfway up the brick wall opposite their window. She found that there was an ivy creeper. In the strong wind outside, the creeper was shedding its leaves. Due to strong wind, as the wind was blowing fast, so that ivy creeper were falling one by one. What is it, dear? Sue asked. Then Sue asked Johnsy what she was doing, why she was counting backward. 6, whispered Johnsy, and at that time Johnsy said 6. they are falling faster now. She said that the leaves were falling fast. 3 days ago there were almost 100 leaves. There are only 5 left now. At that time, Jhansi said that before 3 days, 100 leaves were there on that plant, but now only many had fallen, only 5 leaves were left. When the last leaf falls, I will die, said Jhansi, and finally I have known this for the last 3 days. And Jhansi told Sue that she had decided that she would surely die when the last leaf would fall. Students, in this way, today we have studied in the chapter the last leaf, that Jhansi and Sue both were friends, and one day Jhansi fell ill. She was suffering from pneumonia and she could not get well, as she had lost her hope to live in this world, and she made up her mind that she would die if the last leaf of that ivy keeper would fall. Further, what happened, students, I will tell you next day. Thank you.